In front of me is a Huawei MediaPad T5, and today I'll show you how to go through the process of the setup of the device. So when you first boot it up, you'll be presented with the language select, so choose your language from the list here. You can scroll through it like so. I'm gonna stick with English and then tap on next. Then insert SIM card. Don't have a SIM card that I want to use with it, and you can do that later on anyway, so not really important. We can skip that. User agreement, terms of service, you need to agree to this, so tap on I agree. You have some more. You can now to join. Again, I need to agree to service Wi-Fi and stuff like that, so agree, and then you can proceed on. Here, if let's say the device was previously connected to some kind of Google account, you will need to verify it, and for that you will actually need to connect to Wi-Fi, or you can just connect to it because you want to at the start. So I'm just going to choose mine. I don't really need to confirm anything. The password isn't, or the network isn't password protected, so I just can tap on it. Now the device will start looking for updates and stuff like that, so just give it a moment. Here you can sign into Google, so for instance, once you sign in, you can go straight to the App Store and start downloading without actually logging into it. I'm gonna log into it for this, so and then I'm gonna put in my password, so give it a moment. I have logged in, and once you press next, you will see this, which is Google Terms of Service. So again, you need to agree to it. And Google Backup and stuff like that, you can enable them or disable them. Also, you can do that later on if you like to. So for instance, the localization, you can enable or disable that. Protect your device. It's basically a lock setup. I'm just gonna set it up for this guide, so set a screen lock. And by default, as you can see, it's a 6-digit PIN number, but you can change unlock method right here. You can have a 4-1 custom pattern or password. Password will be a word one, pattern as the shape. I think this might be a custom PIN, considering it's not 4-digit one, but I'm just gonna choose the pattern. And then it's all the same for every one of them. You need to put a PIN, password, or pattern once and then confirm it another time, and then tap on done. And then welcome to your device, and you can copy your data from a previous phone, or you can just set it up as new. If you would copy it from another device, you would need to download an app that is pre-installed on this device. And here just tap on skip. Then you can choose what you want. Create a Huawei account to gain access to some of these features. So not really interested. And then transfer. Okay. Cloud, you can enable, disable. It doesn't really matter. I mean, if you like using cloud, you can. Device protection, set password. We already did this for some reason, so I'm not sure why it's here, but there's a different way to also unlock it, which is the face unlock, so you could set that up if you like to. I'm just gonna skip that. There's already a pattern. Basically some Google features like Hi Google and stuff like that. You can enable or disable that if you like. And as you can see, we're now done with the setup. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.